Stand By Me by Oasis. This video is going to cover all the chords and strumming sections to the full song. We're also going to be covering some of the easy lead lines to this song, fantastic for beginners to be learning. And this video is made in promotion of the Andy Guitar Beginner Electric course, new modules of which are dropping all the time, so click those links below and check them out. But let's have a look at how to play Stand By Me by Oasis. So the song starts with a drag down from fret 12 down to fret 3, like this, and with plenty of overdrive on. I'm on the Brown sound setting, and I've just given this a bit of a boost with my Schaefer replica overdrive pedal. That's what we start the song with, and then we have the fairly simple chords: G major, B7, C, briefly to C over B, or C/B to D. And that is also the verse as well. So G, 2, 3, 4, B7, and C over B, D. And we go to that D slightly early. Made a meal and blew it up on Sunday. I've got a lot of things to learn. 2, 3, 4, G. Said I would, and I'll be leaving one day before my heart starts to burn. Embellishments of a D sus4, which are quite common in Oasis songs, as I'm sure you know. And then we go to the bridge, and we're on C major. Chord progression and chord links will all be in the description below as well. 3, 4. So what's the matter with you? 2, 3, 4. G over F sharp, E minor. So that was G over F sharp and E minor, which is actually Songbird as well. You want a 3-chord Oasis song? Songbird's the one for you. But this is from the bridge. So what's the matter with you? G over F sharp, E minor. Don't you know A7 winds and rains? Oh no. C major, they come and go away. This is down, down, up, down, 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 up for every chord. So there's some variation to this, but other than that G chord, and here's that in tab as well. Down, down, up, down, 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 up. And then on that last up is where we typically change chord, which is why I lifted off and why we have 0 frets there. So that's the last strum basically, just an up of that. So you can change to that B7 chord. 2, 3, 4, down, down, up, down, 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 up. Down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, 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 down. Bridge, this is bridge number 2. 2, 3, 4, C. So what's the matter with you? Don't you know the cold and wind and rains? Oh no, we always seem to come and go away. And then we get to the chorus. 2, 3, 4, it's G. Stand by me. Nobody knows it's A minor. And then, okay, here we go. So this is C, F, D, G. Couple of options here depending on where you're at with your playing. This is the first time we've added a new chord. This is an F chord in this. Super easy way of playing it is to go F like a C. which is a C major chord with the middle finger and third finger down a string. There's your easy option. A really cool Noel Gallagher trick that he often does is never really playing the F bar chord unless you like absolutely have to in something like Don't Look Back in Anger, but instead playing this hybrid F where we can go C, F by just kind of playing the C chord and flattening off the first finger, moving the middle finger down, third finger and little finger placed just here. So this is from C, F, and then straight to D major. Now if you're good with an F chord, you could play an F bar chord, you could do this, you do what you want. But if you're needing help, it's G, 2, 3, 4, D, 2, 3, A minor, C, F, D is the #1 recommendation, or very easy version, C, F major 7, D, G. The way it's gonna be, stand by me, nobody knows the way it's gonna be. Stand by me, that happens 3 times, then it's nobody knows. Stays on A minor. Yeah, nobody knows the way it's gonna be. And then basically the whole thing repeats again, and we have verse, bridge, chorus, and then we have this little interlude bit. Yeah, nobody knows. After chorus 2, we then have the guitar solo section. The way it's gonna be, maybe I can see. Don't you know the cold and winds and rains? Oh no. You get the idea, and definitely like adding all those bells and whistles. You know, this is something that if you happen to be doing my beginner electric course, you can start doing this and get the bare bones of it at level 6. But really, you know, to add all the extra stuff that you're doing and get the full song, it's a long song. Unless you know it really well, this is going to be one that's going to take a few weeks to kind of get down, a few weeks of kind of practice. If you're new, if the B7 chord's still new to you, if an F chord's still new to you. But if it's not, you'll be able to do it. And for those of you that can handle all that and want to look at the detail of it, let's look at some detail now and look at these lead lines. But these lead lines are very much like getting up towards like beginner level, but maybe early intermediate level with all this kind of just pulling out, you know, the index finger and doing our thing. So we start off, if we go from the top of the song, we've got that drag down from 12 to 3. And then the chord progression. We've got that first of all. So let's have a look at that. And again, I'm just using a Schaefer replica boost, Brown sound setting, everything just at vertical. To keep it nice and simple. A good guitar with humbuckers will get you closer to this sound though. These are PAF humbuckers in these, I did switch them out. Thanks to Ollie from OG Pickups for putting these in, they sound fab, really love them. So intro solo or intro lead part, this is 12, hammer on to 14, which is shown by that dash between the two. This is from bar 5 in the tab that I'll link to down below. So 12, hammer on, 12, 14. Then from bar 8, slide it down to 11. And that's kind of that intro. So if I put a kind of guide guitar down, I play this super slow, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. That's now in the loop. That should get you through it. That's some things to be practicing. That's a really clear lead line. There's loads of them in this song. You could kind of, spend a long time getting all the detail of this. One thing that we do have is some, if I go like from the bridge, for example, we kind of have some arpeggios happening. So and then we have this kind of 0-2. Like things like that happening. But let's go for more of the clear solo parts. Let's have a look at the main solo over the E minor. That's the bit people really want to get down, I imagine. This is from bar 98 in the tab that I'll link to down below. Bar 97 is just the D chord. And then from fret 11, with the index finger on string 3. And then we have this kind of unison bend. All that kind of thing. But the real melody of this that you want to get down, 11, let me take that off for a bit of quiet. So we have 11, hammer on. And then 11, same move again. So 11, 11, picked, and then hammer on 12 with the middle finger. Back to 11, 14, 12, 14, 11, 12. And bar 102 is pretty much the same as bar 98. It's just that ending that's different. With the 14 and 12. So after that final line at bar 102, he does a little pick scrape, and then we have this. That's a unison bend, and then this little loop of 3. And then walking down from 17. And then went into the final chorus. So to break down that last little bit after. Unison bend is where we pick fret 12 and bend up 14, a whole step, to that same note. So we're bending this note at 14th fret with the 3rd finger supporting that bend, and then with the index, it's like that. Bar 105, 15, hammer on to 17, 15. And then it's 17, 16, 14, 12, 10, 9, 7, 7. And then we're back down, whole thing. Something like that. Hopefully that's been enjoyable for you and you've learned some stuff from there. Full tabs linked to down below, 100% for free, along with the Andy Guitar Beginners course, which this song features in. And that's a great solo to learn to get you up to a kind of intermediate level, especially if you're going to be able to improvise some bits. More help with that coming soon to andyguitar.co.uk. I hope to see you over there. Take care of yourselves, guys. Bye-bye for now.